about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning. Not even morning. Good afternoon. It is 1:20, and I have to start my day. Is it a spider? No, it's not. I have to start my day. I really have not done much of anything, so I've just been like watching TV and like hanging out. So I'm gonna go shower, number one, and then we're gonna get to cleaning because my space, crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do dishes. We're going to clean the bathroom. We're gonna wait till everyone leaves for Christmas break. And then we'll do laundry. And then whatever's left, we'll do that too, and you'll see. So and then we have to definitely edit and upload. So that's the plan for today. It's already the afternoon, so let's get started. Okay, so it is 1:37. I just got out of the shower, and I have to clean. I don't want to show you the disaster that my apartment is. I may show you segments of it, but I'm not going to show you the whole thing. It's crazy. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I've got clothes on and I'm ready to clean. So, I still have some makeup. I washed my face twice. Maybe like I hope that you take it easy. I hope that you never need me. I really could. I'm trying the ramen. I'm trying the ramen from the other day, and I'm so excited. Like it advertised, it's definitely a milky broth. Let me try the noodles first. Good noodles. Bouncy. That's hot. The broth is so good. It's not too salty. It's it has like a little bit of like a seafood taste. I really love this. So this is really good. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna actually give this like a 10 out of 10. Like, it's a nice light broth, which is not what I expected at all. But it's like really refreshing. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. I love it. All right, so I'm editing right now, and then I'm going to head to bed. It's been a long day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another daily vlog. Bye.